Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the best protein shakes. We'll explore how these powerful supplements can significantly impact your fitness journey, whether you're aiming for muscle growth, weight management, or simply a convenient way to boost your daily protein intake. We'll cover the different types available, helping you understand which one aligns perfectly with your personal health and fitness objectives. Get ready to make informed choices for your nutritional needs. Let's dive into the most common types of protein you'll encounter. First, there's whey protein, a rapidly absorbed option perfect for post-exercise recovery. Then, we have casein, which offers a slower, sustained release of amino acids, great for overnight muscle repair. For those with dietary restrictions, plant-based proteins like pea or soy are excellent alternatives. And don't forget egg white protein, a dairy-free choice with a complete amino acid profile. Each type has unique benefits. Choosing the right protein shake involves a few key considerations. First, clearly define your fitness goals, whether it's building muscle, losing weight, or simply supplementing your diet. Next, always check the nutritional label. Aim for a shake providing 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving. Scrutinize the ingredient list for unnecessary added sugars or artificial ingredients. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of flavor and how well it mixes, as these factors greatly impact consistency and enjoyment. Protein shakes offer numerous benefits when used correctly. For optimal muscle recovery, aim to consume your shake within 30 minutes after your workout. They can also be a fantastic, convenient option for a quick meal replacement or a satisfying snack between meals. Remember to increase your water intake when boosting your protein consumption to support kidney function. Always consider consulting a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice tailored to your specific health needs and goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.